What if Leica's next compact camera finally stops playing it safe? That's the question hanging over the Leica Q4 right now. Leica has been unusually quiet, which, if you know the brand, usually means something big is brewing. Today, we're breaking down the most credible Leica Q4 leaks, what upgrades actually matter, when it could land, and why this might be the most important Q-series update yet. Stick around, because some of these rumored changes could seriously shift how people view fixed-lens full-frame cameras. Let's start with the heart of the camera, because this is where things get interesting. The biggest rumor surrounding the Leica Q4 is a move to a stacked CMOS sensor. If that happens, it would be a first for the Q line and a massive deal. A stacked sensor means faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and better overall responsiveness. Resolution is also expected to climb, possibly landing around 64 megapixels. That extra detail is not just about bragging rights. It would give photographers more freedom to crop while maintaining image quality, which matters a lot with a fixed 28mm lens. The hope here is that Leica keeps its signature clean, natural look while finally adding modern sensor speed that makes the camera feel more alive in fast-moving situations. Autofocus has always been the polite elephant in the room with Leica. It works, but it has never been the reason people bought a Q. The Q4 could change that. Leaks suggest improved subject recognition, better tracking, and more reliable eye and animal detection. Think less focus hunting and more confidence when shooting people walking toward you, pets moving unpredictably, or quick street moments that only happen once. Leica is unlikely to turn this into a spec-chasing autofocus monster, but even a modest improvement in speed and consistency would dramatically change how usable the Q4 feels for everyday shooting. Leica has been slowly taking video more seriously, and the Q4 looks like another step in that direction. Expectations point toward improved thermal management, which means longer recording times without overheating. Frame rates could also expand, with rumors of 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and possibly 8K around 30 frames per second. That does not suddenly turn the Q4 into a cinema camera, but it does make it far more flexible for hybrid shooters. Smooth slow motion, higher resolution footage, and cleaner files would make the Q4 feel less like a stills-first camera that happens to shoot video, and more like a balanced creative tool. Another area getting attention is the shooting experience itself. The electronic viewfinder is rumored to jump to around 9.44 million dots, which would be a noticeable upgrade in clarity and realism. The rear screen is expected to become fully articulating, opening the door for easier low-angle shots, vertical composition. In-body image stabilization may also improve, potentially offering up to 8 stops. That matters more than people think, especially for handheld low-light shooting or slower shutter speeds. Ergonomically, Leica may refine the grip, tweak button placement, and possibly shave a bit of weight, all while keeping the familiar Q-series look and weather-sealed magnesium body. The beloved 28mm Samylux f.17 lens is expected to return, because honestly, it does not need reinventing. That said, Leica could introduce improved coatings or small optical refinements to better match a higher resolution sensor. On the software side, faster wireless transfers, smoother Leica Photos app integration, and a more intuitive touchscreen interface are all likely. Small usability upgrades like better customization and quicker menu navigation can make a big difference in day-to-day shooting, especially for photographers who rely on speed and muscle memory. So when does all this happen? Current chatter points toward an early 2026 release, which would be slightly earlier than Leica's usual refresh cycle. Pricing is expected to climb as well, likely exceeding the Q3's launch price. That is not surprising, but it does reinforce who this camera is for. The Leica Q4 is shaping up to be a refined, modernized take on the Q philosophy rather than a radical reinvention. Faster performance, smarter autofocus, stronger video, and improved usability could finally close the gap between Leica's timeless design and modern expectations. If these leaks hold true, the Q4 will be one of the most watched camera releases in years. So, what do you think? Is Leica finally pushing the Q series forward or playing it safe again? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay on top of every major camera update, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next.